these are the oxygen concentrators given by the ITC group. Whatever was lacking in this hospital, as you know, we have tried to fulfill it through CSR. And various people have come forward to give us different articles. Today, two things are happening. One is the oxygen concentrators, and in the afternoon, we will be dispersing the extra salary amount, what I had promised for 3 months, to all the workers working in this hospital to work well for the people of Murmungaon, so that they are not demoralized because of the low salaries. That also through CSR I had arranged through Anand Bose. Last month it was paid. Today, this afternoon, it will be paid for this month and we will be paying for next month. Later on, I have asked that the same staff should be absorbed on the Human Resources Development Corporation. Whole idea is in the government sector to give a good hospital so that people don't have to spend a lot of money going to a private person. They have a choice to go to the private person, but there should be a government hospital having all the facilities as much as possible, and in that direction our doctors have worked very hard. Dr. Anil Umraskar, Dr. Anil Mendiratnam, Dr. Vivek, Sister Monica, and the entire team of sisters and the doctors as well, the other doctors, they have worked so hard so that they really felt that during a pandemic they should reach out to the people. Such has been their spirit. म्हणून हिंगा आमचे सब डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटलान शिकले हॉस्पिटलान तोखणाय करचे सारके बऱ्यांत बरें काम आमच्या डॉक्टरांनी नर्सिसांनी आनी दुसरे फूल स्टाफ तेणी काम केल्ले आहा म्हणून हांव तेंची बरें तोखणाय करता. आनी तेणी हार्ड वर्क केलें म्हूण आतां केसीसूय कमी जाला, कोवीड पेशंटूय तितले ना, पूण आमी तयार आसपा जाय. फाल्यां थर्ड वेव जाल्यार आमी तयार आसा. आज तुमी पळयला ITC ग्रुपान आमकां ऑक्सिजन कॉन्सन्ट्रेटर दिल्ले आसा, तुमचे फुडेंच ते आसा, आनी तेय जाल्यार 10 लिटर. मिस्टर बागरी ITCचे हांगा मुद्दम आयिल्ले आसा, तेजे बरोबर आमचे सुमितूय आयिल्ले आसा ते हँड ओवर करपाक. ताका लागून हांव हांगा आयिल्लो. I don't know how that issue gets linked to airport area. That area which was meant for airport parking was wrongly done, and that's how that acquisition was dropped and it was given back to the private party. This is a long dead issue. If Goenka Awaz wants to choose such dead issues, that shows how dead ideas they are roaming with. Get something latest, not something which is already buried long ago. I'm really sad at such utterances from them. That shows their bankruptcy of thoughts and as well as issues.
Do you think they are creating issues because of elections are coming?
Obviously, as elections are nearby, the voices will become more and more shriller, more and more empty, and you will have here many such unwanted propaganda being launched because they cannot get anything concrete where they can really pin this government down.
Yeah, thank you.